Guys, this one thing was a game changer for me yesterday. Yes, this is the diary of a YouTuber, and I'm gonna be telling you what happened yesterday on my second movie review channel. Yes, so look at it. Can you see this beautiful spike? Let me go to 7 days. Let me go to 7 days. Look at it. Look at the views. It jumped. I mean, it's the views have been crawling for a couple of days. In fact, a couple of weeks. Yes, because a new movie, or what I call it, a new series started, and you know how it is. It has to gain momentum and all of this good stuff. But yesterday we moved from 1,354 views all the way up. Oh my God, to 8,618 views. Wow, that is like times eight. I'll do the math and put it on top of the screen. Wow, this is beautiful. Now, not only did the views go by times eight, I'm coming to what happened. I'm coming to what happened. Just stick with me and let's watch this to the end. Look at it. Look at it. This is what? 8,618 views in one day. Okay, let's go to the watch hours. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at the watch hours. The watch hours, why? Because of course, views give watch hours, so we have to look at it. And of course, it's about the retention, right? As people watch for longer, you gain more, watch hours. Look at it. I told you it's been crawling because it's a new series, so it has to gain momentum. We jumped from 33 watch hours in the previous day, that's March 15th, and now we went up to 117 watch hours in just one day. Now, this is a channel where I've gained up to 1,500 watch hours in a day when the movies are really hot. Maybe it's getting to where there's a lot of action, but this is a new series, so it's just picking up momentum. Wow, I'm going to tell you the one thing that made this happen. One thing that made this happen. So stick with me. Now, look at it. Not only did this skyrocket. So if you look at it, I think this is like almost times four, right? We're able to multiply the watch hours by times four, almost times four. I'll put the maths on top of it. I'll do the exact one and put it on top. Look at it. Not only that, let's go to the subscribers. Let's go to the subscribers. Oh my God. Look at the subscribers. We jumped from having like about 3 subscribers in a day to what? 55 subscribers. Now, when I tell you that when you're able to post videos, it brings views, it brings watch hours, and it also brings subscribers. Can you see that? From 3, oh my God, almost times 20. Oh my God, this is 20x. You know when I talked about 20x at the beginning of the year? This is it in action. Oh my God. Now, what was the game changer factor that happened that made this videos, or the set of videos I posted, I think, yeah, 2 videos I posted on this channel yesterday? What made it pop? Lack of competition. Yes, lack of competition, or maybe let's use the word monopoly. Monopoly is good because when you're the only one doing a particular kind of thing that is trending and hot, you get the maximum amount of views, you get the maximum amount of attention. So what happened was that the following episode wasn't posted, right? So that means that myself and my other colleagues in the industry, the movie review industry, couldn't actually have a particular episode to review about, because I'm not the only one doing this. We're quite a number of people that are actually reviewing this particular trending and momentum building, movie series. So because the producers just announced that, oh, we just posted a new movie, but we will come back and continue the series the following day. So nobody had any content to work with. So I was just inspired. Yes, I'll say the Holy Spirit inspired me. I just went ahead and just announced to my subscribers that, oh guys, yeah, there's not going to be any series episode today, but it's going to continue tomorrow. But I now decided to give a twist to it, right? And then I was able to just give like my own review, give my own twist, give my own take, just create something. And that was it. Wow. Just on one video, I got like 6,000 views. Let me show you the video. Yes, this is the video. Look at it. 6,000 views. 6,000 views. And how did this happen? Wow, look at it. Came all the way from YouTube search, browse features, notifications. We got 6,000 views. How was it with the reach? The reach was like 11,700 impressions. And look at the one that caught me. Look at it. The impressions click through rate was 40.6%. That means that out of every 100 people that saw this video, 40 people clicked. Wow. That means that, the thumbnail was very catchy. Yes, but even though the thumbnail was just normal, but I told you, Monopoly, Monopoly, yeah, Monopoly, oh my God. And see, we got 6,000 views. What about the engagement? Let me show you the engagement. 75 watch hours from this one video. I'm telling you, it is awesome. So how do you now use Monopoly to your own advantage? Because I'm sure you want to know, how does this now work for me? Good. Now, let me tell you this. If you're currently in a particular niche, you must study that niche. You must understand the pros and cons. You must know what works for you. And then you must create a differentiation. That's it. You must create a differentiation that makes you stand out, right? That's what's going to give you that edge about Monopoly. Of course, other people are doing similar things, but you now add your own twist. You now add your own edge. You now come out with a uniqueness. And that's exactly what happened. I was able to create a video yesterday that was not exactly the same movie review style, but nobody else created any video similar to that. And I was the only one that created that kind of video within the course of the day. And I was able to grab attention and people came for it. And of course, you can see the results. So this is the diary of a YouTuber. And I just want to let you know that this is working. Don't forget, Monopoly can work to your advantage. But of course, you don't want to be an island. You don't want to be the only one doing one thing that may not gather views. It must gather views. It must get the interest of people. Interest is very key. So I just came over here to quickly let you know what happened so that you guys can, of course, tune in and get to know more about what is going on. Now, just in case you want to build your own YouTube channel and you need free resources to help you, go ahead and click the link in my description and you get access to free resources in my DM. All right, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.